The new Auto Blank New Items option allows you to have the toolpath of your new CAM features hidden upon creation. By default, as soon as a feature is created, the toolpath of all operations in the feature is immediately visible. This makes sense, since you're going to want to see if the toolpath appears to be what you had in mind before simulation. However, checking the toolpath of your feature when there are many overlapping operations is nearly impossible. It's easy enough to blank the feature so you can click operations in the CAM tree to view their toolpath, but with this version we're saving you those extra couple mouse clicks by allowing you to blank newly created features by default. And that is the functionality of our new Auto Blank New Items option in the CAM tree.